Do you know that you can able to read Facebook message without showing seen? It won't show that you have read the message. It will automatically show that the message has not been opened while you have already read what the person sent. So let me show you how to do it on Facebook. Open your application like this. You come to your let me use Facebook Lite. When you open it like this, you come to your chat. Okay, I am on my page here. Then we go to my account. Okay, you come to your chat with the person. Okay, after coming to your chat with the person, you come and click on the person profile like this. After clicking on it, you click on the icon of these settings at the top right corner of the screen. After clicking it, you come and click on, you read all what it say. You can see this one, they put the read receipt. Click on it. After clicking on it, you now turn off this button here. After turning it off, just come back. After doing it like this, if you send the person message, if the person send you message, if you read the message, the person won't know whether you have read the message. So this is how to go